Alright, this is from my sister in North Carolina. It's around 5 o'clock, and as you can see, this is the snow so far, and it's still snowing. And our little snowman gauge here, it goes up to 30, and it's probably there. And this is our front walk. You see there's really nowhere to put the snow. This is the driveway, and we've blown 3 times already, once last night and twice today. The truck, I'm just going to leave it buried. You know, the battery's dead, so it doesn't even matter anymore. And at the end of the driveway, this is the sidewalk that goes along the street, and this is the street. As you can see, it hasn't been plowed. They plowed it last night, but there's no way of getting out of our driveway. So it's going to be a while. These are our neighbors. They're clearing theirs off. I think I'm going to wait until it finally stops to finish mine. But so this is Blizzard 2016. You see the top of the house and how the wind has drifted the snow. It's very light snow, so I'm not too concerned about the roof. It should hold pretty well. But it's a lot of snow.